Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. I am super excited today. I got a package a day early, so I thought that I would unbox it with you guys because it's pretty much all garden related. Um, so why not? I've never really done anything like this before. So this is all from Amazon. Um, I'm gonna do another dollar store haul actually in a couple weeks because I am gonna pop over to the States and see what they have over there. But anyways, let's get to unboxing this and I'll show you what cool things that we got. I'm not entirely sure if opening this while with one hand and holding the camera with another is a great idea. So let me just finish this for one sec. Okay, my hands are safe. Let's see what we've got in here. Well, I know what's in here, but you guys don't. So all of this stuff, I just want to add the reason that I did a haul, because I'm not really one for buying new gardening tools unless I absolutely have to. I like to recycle and reuse anything that I can. But all of these things had coupon codes on them. I will link below if anyone's interested in the comments. So I got all of this stuff for like under $100, super cheap. So the first thing I got, it was a 2-pack of seedling heat mats. Now I have one in my indoor greenhouse and I literally rotate it. I will start seeds, rotate down, start seeds. So these were on sale for like $30. So that's like $15 a pop. I couldn't pass this up. So now I have 3 and I can just do like an entire top row in the greenhouse of seed mats. So that's super exciting. That will make my life so much easier. The next thing I got was some garden gloves. These ones I've never tried before. I've seen them a million times. I got them for like $5, so I couldn't resist. They're the ones with the claw fingers. I mean, absolute worst case scenario. I'm not a huge garden glove person. I love to do it with bare hands, but these are pretty cool. I feel like I could get some use out of these clawing my way, so I'm super excited for those. This is an entire huge bag. It's a 7-pound bag of worm castings. I use worm castings when I dig my plants at the bottom of my holes. I'm going to use this actually in another video to show you how to make compost tea for your garden, which is a pretty much all natural organic fertilizer. But anyways, I got that because this was a really good deal. I think it was like $15, which is like amazing because like last year I got half that size for that price. So, and I actually have a really hard time. I don't know about you guys, but where I am, I can never find worm castings in a garden center or in the store. I seem to predominantly have to buy them online. So excited about that. These aren't garden related. They, I guess, will be once I start preserving my stuff, but I had to get some wide mouth lids because I got a fermenting kit for Christmas from my grandpa and they were a wide mouth kit instead of the regular kit. So I had to get some lids for that and that'll be a separate video. I got this and it is a new, I will open it up and show you, it's a new kit of pruning shears. I think out of everything, I'm most excited about this because I need new pruning shears. It is kind of important when you're pruning your garden or cutting fruits and veggies off that you have clean scissors or shears. It just makes everything more like sanitary, risk of less disease, spreading disease from plant to plant. Anyways, so this was all a set. I think it was like $15 and it has like big pruning shears, like a smaller set, and then like these would be like for heavier duty or like you're talking your perennials, rose bushes, things like that. So I'm super excited about these, and the reason I'm actually excited about these, if you know, you know, the last pair that I had locked up here. So as I was pruning, the stupid things would lock half the time. These have the lock with the flip lock down here. So I will be to prune away without having to worry about them locking as I go, because that was super annoying with my last pair. Anyways, so this is a great buy. Super excited for these. I also have these garden tags with, I'll show you, this isn't a 100-pack. I think it was like $3. They are like the garden tags for labeling your plants. Now these are amazing with this. Now use pencil, use Sharpie, use whatever you have on hand on the cheap. But this is only a couple dollars. It is a UV and water resistant pen. So I actually use this on my winter sewing jugs because I know that it's not going to fade. I have used these in the past. Like I said, they're UV and water resistant. I promise you, this is not coming off. It is not coming off. So when you use it in conjunction with these, which, I mean, you can use that on popsicle sticks or old blinds or whatever you have. But for only a couple dollars, this is 100. These also come in a 300 pack. But anyways, if you use the two of these together, you are guaranteed that everything is going to stay labeled. Nothing is going to wash off. And these are pretty good at withstanding the weather. So I actually am going to use, I have these new, but I have a whole bunch of old ones that I used last year. I'm going to use the other side of them because they're double-sided. So I'm going to cross off last year's and rewrite just so I can get like a whole bunch of extra use out of it. And the last two things I have in here are actually things I already own. These are repeats. They're gifts for people and they were on sale. So I am definitely collecting. I actually got this for Christmas and I rebought it because it was on sale for like $10. I talked about this in my Books for Beginners. This is an amazing book. It goes through all of each vegetable, talks about like the requirements of it, talks about companion planting. It goes on and on. Great resource and tool. And then the next thing is my garden planner. So I actually did an entire separate video on these garden planners and I love these. That was like $8. I recommend those to everybody. So I am going to give that away. So that is it for my Amazon garden haul video. Thanks for unboxing with us. Like I said, if you're interested in any of these things, comment below and I will link you the stuff. Get everything while it's on sale. I am super excited to get this seed starting going. We'll talk to you next week. Bye.